lovely construction on the road behind our house. Yeah, look at that. Is that the road?
Whoa, isn't this super fast?
It's spitting it out pretty quick.
Oh, that's fast! I want to be that fast.
You want to be that fast?
Yeah. I want to be as fast. All this black stuff is falling and how fast the sea is spinning. Right. I want to be this fast. Mom, look. I want to be this fast. Mom, I want to look at my hand.
Did you hear it go honk honk?
Mom, look. I want to go this fast.
You want to go that fast? Oh my goodness. That is super duper fast.
Yeah. It's kind of faster than that.
Oh,
I don't know.
so that truck is running off, and you can kind of see where they've eaten
How does it?
the road layers away from the old road. That's what they're doing.
That's how it was.
And then they're going to come and put new road in because they're extending it to a 4-lane. Oh, and here comes another truck. Look, here comes another truck.
Oh, I saw those trucks coming this way. I saw those trucks coming this way. I saw those trucks coming this way. Oh, that's faster! That's even faster. That's fast.
See, and they just keep inching forward. The thing that grinds up the old road inches forward. And when it gets too far forward, the truck scoots up a little bit. See, I guess they honk at him to move up. And then they honk at him to stop. So all day today, this is the second time they've gone through here. So they have, because how wide it is, they have to go through multiple times. Whoopsie! We went a little too far.
Wow.
And look, he's got 2 things. So as soon as that truck is filled up, then they'll have him pull forward and start filling up this second one. Oh my gosh, it's already full. That didn't take long. Wow.
There's been like tons of trucks already.
Yeah, I didn't
Like,
realize.
within a half hour, there's been over like probably 30
I did not
trucks.
realize how fast it filled up. Let's see how fast it fills up this second one. Okay, under 2 minutes. Wow. That was under 2 minutes that got filled up. I don't even know how much that is. But, so I guess there's that part just right, there we go, right under there that I guess crunches it up and scoops it up and then it munches it up in this part and then shoots it out of there. I wonder if there's any more trucks coming.
Sounds like it's powering down.
Oh, yep, it must be powering down. They'll start again tomorrow. Hopefully they don't do any more tonight because it's loud.